Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel CarTopNews, your one-stop destination for automotive and exclusive updates. Audi's new A5, replacing the A4, aligns with its strategy. EVs get even numbers, ICE models get odd. The A5 now comes as a sleek sedan and estate. Audi has unveiled its new A5, which replaces the long-standing A4. This shift in terminology aligns with Audi's strategic approach to naming its models. While electric vehicles, EVs, will bear even numbers, internal combustion engine, ICE models will be given odd numbers. The new A5 deviates from its predecessor's design as a sleek four-door coupe and is now available as a sedan and estate. In terms of dimensions, the A5 has grown 67 millimeters longer, totaling 4.83 meters and 13 millimeters wider, measuring 1.86 meters compared to the A4. Its wheelbase extends to 2.9 meters, an increase of 68 millimeters. The design elements of the new A5 include cues borrowed from the A6 e-tron sedan concept, highlighted by flared wheel arches, referred to as Quattro muscle by Audi designers, advanced OLED light units capable of displaying up to 8 patterns and visible exhaust tips. Inside, the A5 shares much of its technological advancements with the Q6 e-tron. The centerpiece is a large curved screen that combines an 11.9-inch digital driver display with a 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen. This touchscreen also incorporates all climate control and seat heating and ventilation functions. As an optional feature, Audi offers a 10.9-inch touchscreen for the front passenger side, equipped with a filter that prevents the driver from seeing it. Powertrain options. The new Audi A5 will feature ICE and 48-volt mild hybrid powertrains at launch. The mild hybrid systems will utilize Audi's new MHEV Plus technology, which incorporates 2 motor generators, enhancing efficiencies and regenerative braking. This system can now recuperate up to 25 kilowatts of energy, significantly more than the previous 8 kilowatt limit, and delivers 18 kilowatts or 24 horsepower and 230 newton meters of torque. The A5 will offer a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine in 2 states of tune, 150 horsepower and 204 horsepower, with the latter available with the Quattro all-wheel drive system. The diesel variant will also use a 204 horsepower, 2-liter 4-cylinder engine coupled with the MHEV Plus system. The top-of-the-line S5 will feature a 3-liter V6 engine with a mild hybrid system, generating an impressive 367 horsepower. A plug-in hybrid variant is expected to join the lineup in international markets by next year. Audi says that the new A5 will go on sale in Europe from late 2024, with launches in other markets likely to follow. For the Indian market, we expect the new A5 to arrive sometime next year. Thank you for watching CarTopNews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.